Keep Updating, and this is Joyita. So today's video is quite different from my rest of the videos. I mean, this video was not planned at all. Yesterday I was like sitting about this topic and thinking about it, and I thought to film it right away. So in this video I want to share my experience about the self-love challenge and what I have benefits that I have got from this self-love challenge. Self-love is of utmost importance in our life. When we start loving ourselves, everything becomes positive around us and we start loving the environment. So I will share my experience, I will share the routine, self-love routine that I have followed, and I guess this routine will be very beneficial to you, especially during the pandemic time when everything around us is so much of negativity, and it's quite obvious that after seeing so much of negative news and like all the negativity that are going around in our environment, it is very important to follow the self-love routine. Although my channel is all about the skincare, hair care, beauty, travel, fashion and all that, but I guess this topic is quite related to the beauty and wellness, because when you start loving yourself, you will see the change in your skin, changes in your hair, because self-love has so much of power. It will change everything around you when it comes to skin, hair and everything. So I thought what else we can make, what else I can make in the video, what else I can bring the changes in my videos so that my audience can also help. So I thought that this video will be very helpful when it comes to your overall wellness. जब मैं कल बैठे बैठे सोच रही थी about this topic, I wasn't thinking about the views, I wasn't thinking about the watch time, and it's just that people these days are suffering from so much of negativity, especially due to the pandemic. And I was like, you know what, Joyita, just make this video. In fact, this is the time when you should be as kind as possible, when you should be as helpful as possible, because in this pandemic we need to support each other a lot. So this is what this video is all about. In this video I have listed some of the most important steps, some of the most important challenges of self-love that you need to follow, and I am pretty sure that it will bring immense changes in your life. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. The first is declutter your room. That could be changing your bed cover, folding your laundry, or cleaning your room. So try to clean your space as much as possible. Meditate for at least 10 minutes daily. You can do meditation both in the morning or in the evening. If you are new to it, you can do guided meditation. It helps the beginners a lot. Meditation keeps you calm and relaxed, which is the best in everything to stay away from the negativity. Write 5 things that you are grateful for today. Write everything in present tense and don't write all the generic things. You need to show your gratefulness to the universe. Like you can write, I am grateful for food that I am having today, or I am grateful for the job. You can also specify the name of your food that you are having today. This will make you feel more positive. Next thing is very very important, and I hope you also know about it, is drinking water a lot. Drink at least 4 liters of water a day to keep yourself hydrated. Drinking water regularly and having enough water in your body will keep all the diseases at bay. So make yourself to be hydrated. Listen music for at least half an hour a day. Music is the best therapy of being positive. Listen to whichever music you want and create a playlist of your favorite music. Music has been proven that it helps to fight against depression, stress and anxiety. So you need to add this in your self-love challenge. Pamper your skin daily. You can do this by following a basic skincare routine like cleansing, toning, moisturizing. There are many videos related to this in my channel, so you can just check it out in the my playlist. So this is again another way of the self love. So make sure to love yourself in a deeper way. Eat any of your favorite fruit. Eat slowly and feel its goodness with its every bite. Suppose today that you can see I am having Mosambi. So I can bite Mosambi like I am having its juice, the juice that are contained in the Mosambi. So try to feel the goodness and try to feel the things that are contained in the Mosambi. So this way you can feel the freshness. Pamper your body as well. Mostly we tend to ignore our body and take care of our face only, but this is very wrong. You can moisturize your body by applying body lotion, body butter, body milk. There are a lot of body products that you can purchase. And recently I have made a video of the body, especially a body care routine, like body care product of Nykaa. So you can watch that video. I'll link it up in the description box below. So pampering your body is also very, very important in the self-love challenge. Jot down 5 affirmations and say it out loud every day. Like today, if you write 5 affirmations, and today you need to say it out loud, and again tomorrow 5 another affirmations you need to write. You can write affirmations on your own, or also if you are new to this field, you can search affirmations in the Pinterest and you can jot it down and say it out loud. Affirmations are very, very powerful to bring the positive vibes into your inner self and make you feel very positive and refreshing. Chill with your family. You can talk with your loved ones over phone. This will make your mind relaxed. Video call is also another option to talk to your friends or relatives. Especially in the point of time we need to be socialized as much as possible. Like you can communicate with any of your long distance friend and start communicating with them. Talk like positive things and make their minds get diverted. If any of your friends are depressed, try to change their mind, and you can just crack jokes, and like all these things will improve your positivity a lot. You can also gain so much of positive vibes within yourself. So this is also an important option to keep yourself positive. Cook healthy meal. You can cook a dish free from calories and avoid junk food as much as possible. So today I am having dosa, as you can see, and this is the lunch time. So I am having dosa today in my lunch. Journal your thoughts. Write all your thoughts in a copy or in a diary, whichever you have. No one is going to judge you, trust me. I will make a separate video on this about the basic of journaling. So in this, write at least 16 points, 16 positive points in the present tense. It would be great if you have a red gel pen, so you can just point those things with the help of a red gel pen. Red is very effective color to gather the attraction. So always make sure to write the journaling or affirmations in a red or a green colored pen. So this is a great way to improve yourself. Watch a movie at home once you are free. If you have a subscription of Amazon Prime or Netflix, it would be a bonus point for you. Movie is an amazing thing that makes your mind refreshing. Whenever you are on your weekend or like on Sunday, so you can go for a movie. Like you can watch even the movie with your loved ones. It helps. It's like a great way to make you feel refreshed. So the last and final challenge that you need to follow is sleep early. Sleep is the utmost importance in your daily routine, because having 8 hours of sleep is important to perform the day-to-day activities properly. And also, as I am a beauty blogger, so to get rid of those dark circles, wrinkles and all the skin related problems, having regular 8 to 9 hours of sleep is very, very, very important. Even doctors also recommend this. So sleep regularly, sleep early, and also to have your dinner early, because when you have your dinner early, you will go to bed early, and you can get up in the morning also early. So early to bed and early to rise, as the proverb is all there. So this is the last and the final challenge. So these are the challenges which I have listed in the self-love routine, and I guess these things will make at least a slight difference in your own life, and it will immensely help you to get yourself surrounded with the positive vibes. And this routine doesn't need so much of time. You just need half an hour dedicatedly. You do all these things and I'm pretty much sure that you will feel quite a difference, lot of difference in your own personal life, because we need to be as much as positive as possible, and try to think positive, try to gather the confidence. Don't think negatively, because the universe will provide the things which you think about. If you think about the negative things, the universe will always provide you negative things. This is what the law of attraction is, and I will make a separate video about the law of attraction as well if you are new to this field, because law of attraction is quite a vast topic. So this topic is somewhat related to that as well. So always think positive, think about the abundance, think about positivity and everything. Don't think negatively. If you face challenges in your life, just gather the confidence to tackle that challenge. So yeah, with this I end my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video. I hope this video will help you a lot. So please share this video to your friends, because it's quite important topic. It's not a beauty topic, or it's not like other kind of generic topic. It's quite helpful. So please make sure to share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me in all my social media networks. Links are given in the description box below. So yeah, with this I end my video. This is Joyita signing off now. Bye bye.